One thing I always have appreciated about the sport of motorcycling is how many good friends we're able to share our life with. Share our motorcycling adventures, working on them, riding them. And today's something special. We have a 70th surprise birthday party for the gentleman who's the ranger where we hang out on Perkins. Now, Joe Martin has been around for as long as I've been going to Perkins, and that's a lot of years. And so we wanted to help him celebrate his 70th surprise birthday. His daughter made this beautiful party, and we're going to be going up to a place that's very motorcycle friendly. And the original plan was I was going to take a ride on a bike up there this morning until Karen told me she forgot that we had some other plans this morning. So the way the day played out, Luciano went up for a ride. He's going to get back to his house around noontime. I'm going to pick him up with the car. It'll just be a lot more appropriate for me. I can't really break away early this morning, but even on a day I can't break away early, I don't want to miss a party. And tomorrow we have our monthly market meetup day, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of motorcycles up there, and the weather is predicted to be really nice. So we missed the ride this morning, but we will get to see our friends this afternoon. So I always look around my circle of friends in the morning, see if there's any critical email. Glenn got his slicks on. The other night we had a blast doing that. Boy, that brought back some memories of the A-Team. And he got to see the bike for the first time, and he made some nice comments that, by the way, I had to pay him to make those comments. He wasn't really impressed. John Pothier is already working on some t-shirt logos. We're going to make up some t-shirts to celebrate this project and remind us of the great year we had, which I hope you've enjoyed some of the videos. There are not that many videos. In fact, I don't know of, to be honest, I don't know of any that are on YouTube that go right from the very beginning of a restoration right to the very end, and pretty much try to entertain you every day that we possibly can. But it's time to have some coffee right now. It's early, and it looks like a beautiful day. Now in this part of the country there's always something that I use I've used over the years that tells me it's definitely the beginning of spring, and that's when the forsythias turn yellow, and they did yesterday. But we are in the spring, officially. As the coffee is brewing, I'm looking around and seeing our project table is almost empty. We do have some mirrors to paint, a couple more little items, and a couple of days of working on Glenn's project. We should be done for the year, and just when the forsythias are blooming. Couldn't be any better timing. And even on a day you're going to a party, you still have to have that big coffee, the big wake-up coffee. Now we're going to head out and pick Luciano up. It's such a nice ride up to Luciano's this time of year. I'll bet 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now, everything's going to be green. Oh my God, everything. What a beautiful time of year. Joe, I hope you're going to enjoy this party today. This is the one you rode this morning and everything was fine, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
All right.
It runs like a brand new. The only thing, maybe you can help me out. This windshield, when I got it from eBay, there's a problem. It's too freaking long. It doesn't quite, it's supposed to be...
Oh, I see. You want to trim it.
Trim it in the bottom.
Sure, you could trim that.
How are you going to trim it?
Right.
The belt sander?
The belt sander, yeah. That's the easiest way. You got to what you got to do is lay out tape, blue tape.
Here it's fine.
Yeah, I see. But lay out blue tape along the thing. Bring it over to my house. I got a belt sander.
Yeah.
And you go right around. And you got to go slow. You can't go and be done.
Yeah.
If you try to do it by hand, you'll bust it all up. It'll be a pain in the ass. No, we could do it. You got to come over to the house. I got to get Pokey's gas tank today. He's got a gas tank for me.
Oh.
That's the part on my FZR. I took it. Well, you painted it black, so.
Yeah, it came black.
Yeah. I like it better without the piece in there.
Yeah.
It's like Rob's bike. When you put that bottom fairing on, it looks terrible.
The clips are on right now. They start all the way on top of there.
Oh, you got them as high? When I see Vlad, I'll ask him if he's got those higher clip-ons. I'm sure he's not using them. If he is, What's the difference?
No, this is a different.
I gave it to him for nothing, so.
This is a different pair I got from eBay. Come here.
Oh, you got the dampener, the steering dampener, yeah. Oh, that's gonna look nice.
I gotta make a bracket, man. The bracket has to be bolted here. So the only way.
I know a guy that makes beautiful brackets. Oh my God.
I can't even use this. I have to put the bolt. This one.
Actually, you probably could bolt it right to the engine.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Oh, I know a guy makes beautiful brackets. Luciano, and you can't believe the price. Look at this day. So Luciano got to ride this morning. I had family stuff to do. What a day. Holy mackerel.
It's beautiful.
What a day.
A little chilly when I left.
Ah, what do you care? You're an Eskimo.
I had a 100th anniversary.
Hey, you man it.
Hey! The bears are out of hibernation.
Coming on your motorcycle.
Luciano, where do I know Joe from? Bear Mountain. Now look at mine. Mine's a little different. That's funny. So your granddaughter, look, I love how they have numbers. Where's number 3? That little cute one was over there. She up there? Oh yeah, there she is.
She's not really number 3.
You're number 3. Who's number 2? You got
Simone.
any number 2s?
Simone.
What are you, number 3? Let me take a picture of your thing.
So that means you're the youngest?
You're the youngest?
She's the baby.
Wow. And 1 tooth missing? 5.
Come on.
I have 3 still. I'm waiting for them to come in when I grow up.
This is.
Is that loose?
No, it's a big.
A big girl tooth? Wow.
Can you stand it?
So what we're doing, we're waiting for the.
Right here, I think. That's Rose. That's the owner.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Did you get that on film?
I got it on.
Get it, good. Good, I want to see
You
that.
people don't know who you're dealing with here. This is going on YouTube tonight. Anybody gets drunk and goes over the rail, you're on YouTube. Except for Pokey. There's Turbo Steve. He's lost in space.
I mean, what?
Always late to the party.
Seriously, you're right.
Steve.
Tim rides his bike. You're out of control. Your wife ever tell you that? You're out of control. I got 5 bikes, and I only have 2 that are running.
My garage is huge.
I get attention mounts as Joe gets ready to be released from Rikers Island.
They got assigned Bosch spark plugs there, buddy.
Bosch spark plugs.
Be a BMW.
You know, this is gonna be 20 minutes of waiting now. He's gonna have to go to the bathroom and everything.
I gotta go too.
Yeah, me
I don't know
too.
about drinking beer.
You can go right from the balcony here.
Scary up there, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have you had this stress tested? There's a lot of weight up here. Oh my, yeah, wait till Jose gets here. Bye-bye.
That's why I said they have to reinforce the
Let him
steps.
sit on the other side.
Don't let him sit down there.
All right, when's the action start?
Where's everybody else in purpose, man?
Oh my God.
I'm very surprised.
This is like a wedding waiting for the bride to come. Here comes the bride. What is it, a happy birthday or what? A wedding?
Guy's birthday. Here he comes.
Here he comes. Okay. Here he comes. Here he comes. I've heard that before.
Whose bike did you paint up on Goosey's? What's his name?
Vlad.
Vlad? And you painted the colors of the Goosey, the Italian flag, right?
Yeah.
Does he ride? Does he ever rock? What does he do?
I don't know. I haven't seen him in a while. Maybe he's in prison.
Think?
Motor Guzzi owners in prison go hand in hand. It's the preferred bike of prisoners.
You think?
The opposed V-twin. Oh, come on. Where the hell is he?
What's his name?
Joe!
Prisoner Joe.
We call him John. He answers to anything.
Call him anything, right?
Yeah, he answers to anything.
Just don't call him
Hey,
late
you.
to supper.
Dun 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 dun. Is he wearing a white dress? That's him.
He went the other way.
Yeah, He went to park cars. Oh my God, this is like forever. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God.
Hey, is it yellow?
Never seen the yellow one.
500?
Was it painted by Wendy?
Laying on side, bags, got soft bags on it.
That's a 250. That's mine.
It's like 500.
It's right apart on the side.
I don't think there really is.
Are you sure this is the right? I thought it was next Saturday.
Maybe he did too.
He went to Burger King by mistake. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Blaze of glory. 25 minutes late. We got to charge you.
Jesus Christ. Suspense is building here at the early prisoner release option.
What are we supposed to yell? What are we supposed to yell?
That's not
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Joe! Happy birthday to you! Hey!
You got him? Here he comes.
Hey, birthday boy!
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Do I owe money?
No, you're not parked right. You're parked in the ranger spot.
Okay, that's fine. Like two. It's the frame's a little
Hey!
bigger.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh my God, now it's a party. Oh.
All right.
When the stairs didn't collapse, they came up. They didn't collapse.
Let the women out of the closet now.
Put them in the closet now.
Oh my God. Hey! 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 Hey!
Marty Keith's behind Andy.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Listen about wheels and paint.
I met the guy. I met the guy that did your tank, the aluminum guy. Hey, my condolences here. How are you?
Hey! There's Vince! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Is that it over there?
We're all eating healthy in the neighborhood here. No meat products were used in the making of this video. So we got to tell Joey we got to have a party every year at not 71, 72, 73. What did you get, Vince? Chicken?
I got a Reuben, an open.
A Reuben.
Yeah, baby.
Come so far and made it
Hey!
priority. Just said, this is what Jen said. I can show up before to go. That's it. A nice toast. Okay, ready? Wait, up loud. Got it. Okay.
Well, it was a really nice party. We enjoyed every minute of it. Now that Luciano's on his way to the wedding, I'm going home to Mama. Nice party with Joe. He is one great guy, no doubt about it. And we really did have a good time. The food was good. Thank you to his family for a wonderful time. And now it's only time to get the bike ready. For tomorrow is the big market meetup. And the weather's supposed to be perfect. So hope you enjoyed the video and continue to watch our channel. Thanks for watching.